Maintenance of the watch window.
Now let me introduce how to do regular maintenance. To ensure good performance of the machine, if black powder falls from the machine or the operation becomes less smooth, it indicates that maintenance of the instrument is needed. Pause the instrument. Switch off the silver knob. Remove the retaining washer. Take out the cover. And take out the washers inside, as well as the turntable. Let's check the powder residues. Noticeable powder buildup on the surface occurs due to a lack of lubrication, but there's no need to worry. The material is wear resistant. Just add a small amount of lubricating grease or grease oil, and it will be sufficient for smoother operation. Then put back the turntable and the washers. Please ensure that the groove of the first washer is facing outward. The second one is facing inward. And the third one is facing outward. And then put the cover back. Then the retaining washer. Make sure the groove is facing inward. Unfasten the silver rotary knob. Don't fasten it too tight. Just put it in and ensure it will not slide off. Press the start, stop button to activate the instrument and gradually tighten the silver knob. To ensure each shaft can rotate. Avoid over-tightening to prevent excessive wear on the rubber ring. The primary focus is to confirm that each shaft is functioning smoothly.